My name is Masaki Yanagida. I'm from Japan. My university is Tech University in Japan. I have studied 6 months. Next month I finished. My university has many studying abroad programs, but Portland has NBA team, so I chose Portland. My favorite class is speaking listening class because my classmate is many different country, so I can learn the cultures. My favorite service is tutor, conversation, and individual tutor, and so on. Because tutor and conversation partner is very kind. I have been Seattle trip because my hobby is collecting Starbucks still mug. So I went to first Starbucks shops. My favorite memory is NBA IELP trips because I want to watch it NBA. I'm so excited. Portland people is very kind, and if you get lost street, everyone helps you. And Portland is tax free, so enjoy shopping. ポートランド州立大学を選ぼうと思ってる皆さん、本当にポートランドはいいところで住みやすいですし、IELP のスタッフの皆さんもとても優しいので、困ったことがあったらいつでも皆さんが助けてくれるのと、勉強するにはたくさんのプログラムが用意されているので、皆さんぜひポートランドへ来てください。